Welcome to Belmont, California, a town that feels like a quiet breath of fresh air, located right between San Francisco and Silicon Valley. It's often overlooked, but today I want to show you why this place may just be one of the most beautiful towns in the entire Bay Area here in California. I started my morning with a walk through one of Belmont's residential neighborhoods, and instantly the quiet hit me in the best way. There is this calming energy here, like the whole town decided to take a deep breath and just be. There is no rush. People smile and they mind their business. There is a strong sense of community here, not in a forced way, but in a we care about where we live kind of way. One of the things that struck me the most is how clean and well kept everything is. Belmont actually has some of the strictest anti-smoking laws in the entire country, United States. You literally can't smoke in public places, even in apartment complexes. And honestly, it shows. The air feels fresh, the sidewalks are clean, there is a real pride of the place. And speaking of pride, did you know that one of Belmont's most notable residents was William Ruston, the founder of the Bank of California? He built a mansion right here, recognizing early on what so many people still miss. Belmont is perfectly suited for living. It's beautiful, elevated, serene, and the name actually comes from Italian, Belmonte, which means beautiful mountain. Kind of poetic, right? After my walk, I stopped by for a simple breakfast. Nothing fancy.
Scrambled eggs. Just on this one. Potatoes. And then we have pork sausage.
Just something warm, comforting, much like the town itself. It's the kind of place where you could eat on the patio, sip your coffee, lose track of time, just watching the day go by.
Belmont, California. Breakfast.
As I wrap up my morning, I realized there is a lesson here. In a world that is constantly loud, fast, and demanding, places like Belmont remind us that it just reminds us that it's okay to slow down, take a breath, and to feel at home. Thanks for spending the morning with me. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you like my content. Thank you. See you in the next video. Don't just be good. Remember, be great. Bye.